Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Claude 4. In order to do so, here we are at Claude.ai, and let's just do a little bit of an overview here on what you can find once you've gotten started. So we are on the free plan, but if you want to upgrade, then you could see here for the Pro, you're looking at $24 monthly. And for the max, you're looking at about 140. And that gives you an idea, depending on where your location, the price might change, but that gives you an idea of what it is that you're looking for with Claude. But with Claude, it's fairly straightforward. You can come in and you can basically ask whatever questions you might have. So in this case, let's go ahead and let's ask how to use Claude for beginners. Why not? And there we go. We just hit our enter and Claude is now going to give us some really nice tips. So you could do the same thing. If you want to get started with Claude and you don't know where to get started, then you can go ahead and just do what I've done here. And that's a good way of using Claude to find out about Claude. And you can do the same thing with pretty much any chatbot. And if we want to start a new chat, we're going to go ahead and head over here. And if we click on this icon here, then this is going to open up our sidebar. This is where you're going to see our chat history. So anything that you've done is going to show up here. And if you click on these three little dots here, then you can star a chat. You can also rename it. And this is a really good idea to rename your chats because sometimes it doesn't get it right. And if you want to keep everything organized and know exactly where you've left off with a specific chat, then it's a good idea to rename them. If you want to start a new chat, you just click on here and there you go. We're back to the main page. And then we have a few options here at the bottom to explore. So if we click on code, then you can see here we have some helpful suggestions if you're interested in coding. So you can create a coding Easter egg that would make my team smile. If you're into coding and you want to make a joke that your coding friends are going to get, the rest of us might not, but it might be something that you can do here. So you could write unit test cases, design UI, UX wireframes, design scalability plans, evaluate my coding style based on a snippet. There's a lot you can really do here. So that's really kind of fun. And we can click the learn here, could prepare for an exam or interview. We could develop learning frameworks. We create learning timelines, design a learning challenge that pushes my creative boundaries, transform these notes into a structured summary. We have the write option here, write event descriptions, help me identify my writing weaknesses, develop content briefs, all sorts of really good, helpful suggestions here. Create engaging headlines, develop podcast scripts, fantastic stuff really to help you with so many different things. Writing scripts, writing novels, writing blogs. You can do that with Claude. Life stuff, create a personal budget, plan home improvements, create a routine, develop self-care practices, improve sleep habits. It's all here for you. It's some really helpful options. Claude's Choice, explore architectural concepts, discuss musical innovations, discuss creative thinking techniques, analyze decision-making frameworks, explore thought experiments. There's so much you can do. Here we have this little plus sign, and if we click on that, you can actually attach a file. So if you have a document that you want to attach and you want Claude to analyze that, you don't have to type it all out. You can do that. And here we can take a look at this. We can use style. So we can change the style here. Normal, concise, explanatory, formal. You can even create and edit styles. You can toggle web search on and off. Probably something you want to keep on, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So that gives you an idea of how you can get started with Claude. It's relatively straightforward. If you're familiar with any other chatbot platforms, it's pretty similar, but Claude is very powerful. It's one of the best chatbots that's out there. It's great for coding. It's great for a lot of things. So if you're interested in getting started with Claude, head over to Claude.ai. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. If you're looking for a new online bank, you can get $50 to start with Simply Financial. If you click on the link there, you can get $50 to open up a Simply Financial account. And once you've gotten started, if you refer your friends, you'll get $125 and they'll get $50 to start. It's a win-win situation. Highly recommend it. Simply is a great bank. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.